Okay, John. So the next question I have for you is I was recently laid off while on an H1B, and I'm thinking about switching to a B-2 visa to stay in status while I look for a new job, with a plan to switch back to H1B later. Has anyone gone through this process, and what challenges or risks should I be aware of when transitioning from H1B to B2 and then back to H1B? Any advice or experiences would be really helpful. Thanks.
In the current environment, you're more likely to see RFEs on change of status and maintenance of status. The risk you run ping ponging back and forth between statuses is an increased level of questioning about whether or not you maintain each of those statuses continually. For that reason, if you are job hunting and you don't have a position in the U.S., you're putting yourself at additional risk by going back and forth between those statuses. Now, the alternative is leaving the country and applying for a B1, but you have to get the B1 from the consulate and show that your non-immigrant intent and the purpose of your visit to the U.S. is consistent with the B1. So, the safest thing to do would be obviously transition to an H1 immediately, with a new employer, or leave the country and try and get an H1 from outside the country.